Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Premiere Pro crashing. First, right click on this icon, go to Properties, Compatibility, and press these two boxes. Click on Apply. Next step, go to its file location by right clicking on it and click on File Location. Simply copy the file location at top. Now, search for graphic settings. Click on it. Wait for it to load up. Here, click on Browse and paste the file location here at top. Now, press Add. Then click on Option. Make it high performance. Click on Save. Then next, go to Device Manager. Make sure that your video card drivers is updated. Simply update it and that's it.